Shine with natural ingredients without dimethicone. Very light silicones that are water soluble. Smells very clean, very fresh. It will ensure, especially on your color clients, okay, to give longevity to their color and additional shine. It's super, super light. It gives immediate shine without the weight and does not build up. By itself, it's a phenomenal shine product. There's sunscreens in that product, and there are 6 natural ingredients, including argan oil. That's why it's called Reflex 6, because it has 6 natural ingredients in it. Okay.